All right, on this slide, we're going to be working on identifying the SBlend words in that poem that we just read, and also determining the importance of the text. Now, on your page, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so we can see. On your page 14 and 15 in your text, you're going to see where it tells us to circle words that begin with the SBlend, SK, and SN. Go back through the text, see if you can find them. Circle them on your page. It also tells us to underline the names of baby animals. So go back and listen to the text. Go back and reread the text. And I want you to underline the name of the baby animals. For example, the very first part of the poem says, a baby cow is a calf. What's the name of a baby cow? A calf. So we're going to underline that word calf. And as you are reading through, you're going to be underlining the names of the different baby animals. Those are special names to talk about baby animals, and we're going to underline them. All right. Yeah, I hope you can find them all.